Welcome to the Business Finance Bulletin, episode 186. Welcome again to the latest Business Finance Bulletin. With me, Rob Waller from Business Loan Services, the commercial finance experts. In this bulletin, small businesses see opportunities from Brexit, streamlined trade credit insurance from Atradius, and use of asset finance powers ahead. Well, as we're getting more into the nuts and bolts of Brexit, it seems that small business confidence continues to yo-yo all over the place. The latest survey has come out from Hitachi Capital Business Finance has revealed that 46% of small businesses say they're now seeing opportunities coming out of Brexit. Now, why is this? Well, first of all, 21% of those businesses spoken to said that they felt that the government would be more obliged to support small businesses, therefore they would benefit. Also, 17% of them said that post-Brexit that the UK government will be able to get rid of a load of red tape, making it easier for them to do business. And also 17% of them said that consumers in the UK would be more focused on supporting UK manufactured and sourced goods, therefore giving everybody a bit of a business bounce. Now, this has also been backed up as increased confidence by a latest monthly survey from Lloyds Bank as part of their monthly Purchasing Managers Index. And they've revealed that across the UK and all the regions, output is up. Yeah, businesses are doing more. Also, employment is up with more businesses employing new staff. Admittedly, though, they have highlighted that August growth was certainly stronger than that growth seen in September, so there was a bit of a pullback. But to counter this, though, prices are going up. Firms have reported that with higher input costs, they are now being forced to pass this on to consumers by the way of higher prices. So we can see we continue to get these mixed messages. Some surveys said that business owners are feeling less confident. This one shows that people are seeing opportunities out of all of this turmoil post-Brexit. Well, where's all this heading? Well, who knows? So the message is, of course, just put your head down and continue doing what you do best. As we know, late payment is an ever-increasing problem for small businesses, but it's not as big a problem as not being paid at all. Yet you're sitting there waiting for a cheque to arrive or a payment to land in your bank account, and it never does. The customer just says, can't pay, or unfortunately I've closed my business down, stand in the queue with everybody else. Well, of course, one way to mitigate this risk is to take out a trade credit insurance policy. Now, one of the leading lights in this industry of trade credit insurance is Atradius, and they've just launched a new streamlined version of their trade credit insurance policy specifically designed for small businesses turning over less than £5 million a year. The whole policy is managed online via a portal, so you can go in, upload your customers, track your limits, and also make claims against customers that have failed to pay you. So it's a great way of being able to kind of hands-off manage your credit risk. So if you want to know more about that, all you have to do is go along to the Atradius website, which is atradius.co.uk, and there you will find out more information about that product and all the other trade policies that Atradius have. One continued popular way of financing the purchase of plant and machinery and business equipment continues to be asset finance. That's leasing and HP. Now, this trend of popularity has been borne out by the latest figures released as of August 2017 from the Finance and Leasing Association. The association's members have reported that as at August 2017, they saw a 3% increase in the volume of business done compared to the same period last year, i.e. August 2016. Now, how is this broken down? Well, first of all, in terms of business equipment, as the purchase of, say, photocopiers, IT equipment, there's been an 8% increase on the same period last year. In terms of purchase of plant and machinery, that was also up 4%. So we can see this is a really popular source of finance, especially when compared to traditional bank finance, which on average is a year-on-year increase of about 1 to 1.2% growth, a big difference. So if you want to know more about asset finance and whether it could be useful for your business to finance your growth plans, just drop us a line, info@businessloanservices.co.uk, and we'll help you talk through the process. Well, that's it for yet another bulletin. As ever, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like and a share. So that's it for this week. I look forward to being with you again next time. In the meantime, have a great, successful and profitable week. Bye bye now.